Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nurse Alyssa and today we're going to be going over Renasys Adhesive Gel Patch. But first, if you could hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated as it truly does help my channel grow. So let's get started. So the gel patch is a flexible, high-tack, double-sided adhesive hydrogel sheet with a natural adhesive properties. So it does maintain a physical integrity in the presence of small amounts of exudate or moisture. So you wouldn't want to be using this with moderate to high amounts of exudate. So indications for use. So we can use this around wound margins, for challenging abdominal areas, external fixation pin sites, or proper negative pressure wound therapy seal to get the proper seal on that. And you can also use it for drainage tube fixation. There was no precautions noted by the manufacturer, and for contraindications, do not use in the presence of moderate to large amounts of exudate or moisture. So to apply these sheets, you can cut these sheets into as many pieces as you need to fit the spots that you need. So when you're cutting it into strips, just remember that make sure it's easily accessible for the pull-off strip, because you have a pull-off strip on the back, pull-off strip on the top, and then what you actually use in between the two backings. So just make sure when you're cutting it in the right direction so they can be easily pulled off. Now, I do have the instructions here for the peri wound area, areas that are hard to get into. And seal for the negative pressure wound therapy. I have pin sites here and drainage securement devices to be able to secure it. So really all you're doing for this, just cutting it into strips the size that you need and putting it in the spot that you need it, and then pull off. So you'll pull off the under strip, put it on, and then pull off the top strip once it's in place. So to remove the strips, really all you have to do is remove your negative pressure wound therapy dressing, and the strips just come off with it. It all sticks together very well, very adhesive to each other, so it will just come off with it. Now the frequency of dressing change is 72 hours to match the negative pressure wound therapy. And the expected outcome is that this ensures an airtight seal for negative pressure wound therapy when you're having issues sealing the negative pressure wound therapy device. So it does only come in one size sheet, 7 by 10 centimeters. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you did find it helpful for your daily practice. And if you haven't done so already, if you could please hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated, as it truly, truly does help my channel. So I will catch you in my next video, guys. See ya.